Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the blue Sculptor makeup sponge to apply primer all over your face. Now before you get started, you're going to want to get the sponge damp. To do this, go ahead and run the sponge underwater for just a moment, allowing the sponge to soak it all up, gently squeezing it a few times in between so that the sponge is fully soaked. Then remove it from the water and squeeze a few more times to wring out any excess water. Doing this helps the sponge to expand, become a little more soft, bouncy, and ready to use. You can see here the difference between the wet sponge and the dry sponge. Next, you could add your primer directly to the flat surface of the sponge, and then gently pat and press the product into your skin. Gently pouncing the sponge all around your face helps to spread the product to the desired areas of your face. Using a sponge to apply your primer really gives a spa-like gentle experience, as well as helps keep everything very sanitary so you're not having to use your hands. That's it. That's how you use the blue Sculptor sponge from Beauty Junkies to apply primer all over your face. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.